Tell them.
Are you on a camera?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell them what wings we have.
Yeah, what dinner?
We got Nando wings and what else? I don't know.
Marinated.
Marinated.
They are some hot with some hot stuff.
I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat a lot.
This side is one, and this side.
I'll try a couple of these. Got some rice cooking as well.
They're not rice. They I don't know what they called.
It's gonna be delicious.
Is there more? You gonna eat all?
Yeah.
Wow.
Should be okay.
Wow.
Let's see and enjoy.
Enjoy. Try one.
Try one, yeah, of course. Delicious.
Is that hot?
Oh, nice. Taste Nando.
Is there? Yeah, some with nando and some with.
Delicious, thank you.
Enjoy.